Hi, I'm Martin from LEDYi Lighting, and today I'm excited to show you some cool and creative hallway lighting ideas that will turn any entrance into a welcoming work of art. Hallways are the first thing your guests see, so it's important to light them correctly. I'm going to walk you through some different innovative ways to light your hallways using our best LED solutions. First, let's talk about using natural light. You can install glass on your ceilings to bring daylight into your home and create a magical feeling. At night, you'll even have the soft glow of the moon coming through these glass features. Next, let's look at the magic of LED strips. You can install these to mimic daylight and add a touch of elegance. Put LED strips in cove lighting or along the edges of your hallway floor to not only light up the space, but also create the illusion of a wider area. You need to create a focal point. A statement light fixture or a strategically placed mirror can make a huge difference in how your space feels. Oversized fixtures or beautiful pendant lights can be a focal point in and of themselves. And don't forget about smart lighting options. With technology integrated into our lighting solutions, you can control the ambience of your hallway right from your smartphone. So it's always welcoming. Revamping your hallway doesn't have to be complicated. With these tips and LEDYi Lighting's innovative products, you can quickly transform the entrance to your home. For more creative ideas and lighting solutions, visit our website at LEDYiLighting.com.